Good morning, everyone. Myself, Sandeep Pake, Assistant Professor in Commerce. Now I am going to present a lecture on GST Revision Part 4. First of all, we shall know about customs duty. Few problems will be solved on this topic. A question may be asked for 6 marks under section A. Please see question number 1. From the following particulars, calculate the customs duty payable. While computing customs duty payable, read the question properly, understand the concept. Please see the information given in the problem. Number 1, assessable value of imported goods rupees 5 lakhs. Number 2, basic custom duty payable at 10%. While computing custom duty payable, you have to take into account BCD as starting point. BCD calculated on assessable value of imported goods. Goods is liable for payment of safeguard duty at 15%. After computation of basic custom duty, you have to find out social welfare surcharge at the rate of 10% on BCD. At the rate of 10% on BCD. After that, you have to include safeguard duty. Safeguard duty calculated 15% on assessable value. Safeguard duty calculated on assessable value of imported goods. After that, please see point number 4, compensation cess at 28%. This is to be included after IGST. IGST ಅನ್ನು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ GST ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಸೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. IGST 28% ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. IGST ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೇಫ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ IGST at the rate of 28%. Next, number 5, social welfare surcharge at 10% is leviable. I already told you SWS calculated on basic customs duty. Please see the solution. Computation of customs duty payable. Write down heading computation of customs duty payable. Draw one particular, two amounts column. First column write down particulars. Next rupees. Last column write down total duty. Write in bracket rupees. Okay, first of all write down assessable value of imported goods given in the problem. How much? 5 lakhs. Next, add basic customs duty. Basic custom duty kottidare problem alli. How much? 10%. Basic custom duty calculated on assessable value 5 lakhs into 10%. How much? 50,000. First write in first amount column, then write in second amount column. Draw a line to two columns. ಎರಡು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಗೆರೆ ಎಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 5,50,000, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ 50,000. ಆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನ ಎದುರುಗಡೆ ಏನಂತ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಡ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ವೆಲ್ಫೇರ್ ಸರ್ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 5 at the rate of 10%. Social welfare surcharge calculated on basic custom duty. Basic custom duty how much? 50,000. 50,000 into 10%. How much? 5,000 in first column, and also write in second amount column. ಎರಡು column ನಲ್ಲಿ entry ಮಾಡಿ. Next, after that, please see other duty given in the problem. Safeguard duty, anti-dumping duty, whatever it may be. Write one by one. Next, write down. Add safeguard duty. Safeguard duty calculated on assessable value. Normally all duties, custom duty, safeguard duty, anti-dumping duty, whatever it may be, calculated on assessable value of imported goods. Add safeguard duty 5 lakhs into 15%. 15% on assessable value. How much? 75,000. First write in first amount column, then write in second amount column. Completed. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಂಟಿ ಡಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿ ಏನು ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಡ್ರಾ ಎ ಲೈನ್, 2 ಕಾಲಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ 5,50,000 plus 5 plus 75. How much? 6,30,000. Next 50,000 plus 5,000 plus 75,000. How much? 1,30,000. Write down total B. Total B anta entry ಮಾಡಿ. Next, after that you have to record IGST. Please see point number 4, IGST at the rate of 28%. Add IGST. IGST is calculated on total B. Total B ಮೇಲೆ calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. 6,30,000 into 28%. How much? 1,76,400. Straight away write in last amount column. 1,76,400. After that you have to record which one? Compensation cess. This GST compensation cess applicable to only those goods which is charged at the rate of 28%. ಯಾವ ಗೂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ 28% GST ರೇಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಗೂಡ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾವ್ದು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಸೆಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಆಡ್ ಕಾಂಪನ್ಸೇಷನ್ ಸೆಸ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆನ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬಿ. 6,30,000 into 28%. How much? 1,76,400. Okay, total it 1,30,000 plus 1,76,400 plus 1,76,400. How much? 4,82,800. What is this? Custom duty payable. ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ problem number 2. A question asked for 6 marks in 2019 under section A. From the following, calculate customs duty payable. Please see the information given in the problem. Assessable value of imported goods given 30 lakhs. Number 2, basic custom duty payable at 10%. BCD given. BCD calculated on AV, assessable value. IGST at 18%. Anti-dumping duty at 10%. Only this information given. Okay, you have to compute which one? Custom duty payable. Please see the solution. First of all, write down heading computation of customs duty payable. Draw one particular 2 amounts column. First column write down particulars. First amount column write down rupees. Second column write down custom duty. Please write rupees in last column also. Okay, first of all write down assessable value in first amount column. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಗೆ, ಡ್ಯೂಟಿಯನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ಏನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇರುವಂತದ್ದು. Okay, first write down assessable value given in the problem 30 lakhs. Next, write down add BCD at 10%. 10% on AV. 30 lakhs into 10%. How much? 3 lakh. First write down in first amount column. Next write down in second amount column. Draw a line to 2 columns. Total it. Total first column 33 lakhs. Second column 3 lakhs. Write down total A. Next, after that, in the problem, social welfare surcharge not mentioned, but you have to compute which one? Social welfare surcharge. Problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Add social welfare surcharge at 10%. 10% on BCD. Okay, 3 lakhs into 10%. How much? 30,000. Write in first amount column and also write in second amount column. Next, any other duty given in the problem? Anti-dumping duty given. Write down. Add anti-dumping duty 3 lakhs. first amount column straight away given in the problem. It is not straight away given, you have to find out. 10% on AV. Okay, 30 lakh into 10%, how much? 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs in first amount column, 3 lakhs in second amount column. Okay, draw a line, total it. 33 plus 30 lakhs plus 3 lakh, how much? 36 lakh 30,000. Second amount column, 3 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 3 lakhs, how much? 6 lakh 30,000. Please write total B. Next, please see the problem. IGST given, how much? 18%. Next, write down, add IGST. Calculate 18% on total B. Total B ಮೇಲೆ calculation ಮಾಡಿ. 36 lakh 30,000 into 18%, how much? Please straight away write in last amount column. Last amount column ನಲ್ಲಿ entry ಮಾಡಿ. 6 lakh 53,400. Okay, total it, how much? Find out total, how much? 6 lakh 30,000 plus 6 lakh 53,400. Total 12 lakh 83,400. Customs duty payable. Next, question number 3. A question may be asked for 12 marks in the examination under section B. Please see question number 3. Calculate the total custom duty payable if CIF value, cost insurance freight value of 10,000 kg of imported goods is rupees 10 lakh. In the problem, CIF value given. CIF value is nothing but assessable value of imported goods. BCD at the rate of 10% given in the problem. Safeguard duty 25%. Anti-dumping duty rupees 10 per kg. Number of kgs of goods imported 10,000. Notkolli. And IGST tariff on similar goods in India is 12%. IGST rate 12%. What is the cost of imported goods? In the problem, you have to find out which one. Cost of imported goods. Cost of imported goods is nothing but assessable value, add BCD, add social welfare surcharge, plus other duty levied, plus IGST. If you add above these items, then you will get cost of imported goods. Cost of imported goods ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Assessable value plus BCD plus social welfare surcharge plus other types of duty levied plus IGST. Okay, please see solution. Computation of custom duty payable and import cost. Computation of custom duty payable and import cost. Okay, draw one particular 2 amounts column. First amount column, write down particular. First column, write down particulars. First amount column, write down rupees. Next, second amount column, write down custom duty. Please write in bracket rupees. Okay, please take CIF value being assessable value as starting point. Write down in first amount column 10 lakhs. Add basic custom duty BCD given in the problem. 10%. 10% calculated on 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs into 10%. How much? 1 lakh. Write down in first amount column and also in second amount column. Draw a line to 2 columns. Total it. Total ಮಾಡಿ. First column 11 lakhs. Second column 1 lakh. Write down total A. Total ಎದುರುಗಡೆ total A ಅಂತ entry ಮಾಡಿ. After that, add social welfare surcharge at the rate of 10%. Problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡದೇ ಇದ್ರು ಸಹ ನೀವು calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 10% on BCD. 1 lakh into 10%. How much? 10,000. Write down in first amount column and also write down in second amount column. After that, write down other duties levied on imported goods. What is that? Safeguard duty given, anti-dumping duty given. Write one by one. Safeguard duty. How much? 25% given, 25% on assessable value. 10 lakhs into 25%, how much? 2,50,000. Write down in first amount column and also in second amount column. Next, anti-dumping duty given, charged rupees 10 per kg. Number of kgs of goods imported, how much? 10,000. Anti-dumping duty 10,000 into rupees 10. 10,000 kg into rupees 10. How much? 1 lakh. Write down in first amount column 1 lakh. Write down in second amount column 1 lakh. Understand? Draw a line, total it. First amount column 11 lakh plus 10,000 plus 2,50,000 plus 1 lakh. How much? 14 lakh 60,000. Second amount column 1 lakh plus 10,000 plus 2,50,000 plus 1 lakh. How much? 4,60,000. Write down total B. Next, IGST given at the rate of 12%. Add IGST. Calculate IGST 12% on 14,60,000. 14,60,000 into 12%. How much? 1,75,200 first amount column, 1,75,200 second amount column. Okay. Draw a line, total it. First column 14,60,000 plus 1,75,200. How much? 16,35,200. Second column 4,60,000 plus 1,75,200. Total 6,35,200. Completed. ನೀವೇನು ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? BCD ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, SWS ಗೆ ಇದೆ, ಸೇಫ್ ಗಾರ್ಡ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಆಂಟಿ ಡಂಪಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ಯೂಟಿಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, IGST ಗೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಿ ನೋಟ್. SWS are not payable on safeguard duty and anti-dumping duty. IGST is calculated on value inclusive of safeguard duty and anti-dumping duty. Anti-dumping duty. These are some information relating to problem on custom duty. Thank you.